You've just bought a Thrustmaster T150 and you'd like to connect it to your PC. This guide will help you through the entire process. So let's dive into it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the very first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is connect the wheel. So let's do the physical connection. Plug your USB cable from your Thrustmaster T150 directly into a USB port on your PC. Avoid using USB hubs or extension cables for optimal performance as well as reliability. So make sure that it's a direct connection. Download and install the latest drivers and firmware from the official Thrustmaster support page. This crucial step ensures that your PC properly recognizes all the wheel functions. That means all the buttons, all the functions will work properly. Verify that the sliding switch on your wheel is set to the PC position. This hardware setting also is essential for proper PC compatibility as well as operation. Open the Thrustmaster control panel to test all inputs and calibrate settings. Adjust the rotation lock angle to match your preferred racing games. Launch a racing game and configure the wheel settings to match your preferences. This means just fine-tuning your force feedback, sensitivity, and button mapping for your ultimate racing experience. And then go out and race. I hope this was helpful.